Varun's death. Bing! She'll come back.
Please welcome the gorgeous and glamorous Anushka Sharma and Katrina Kaif.
Hello friends, in this video we will learn idioms and phrases spoken by celebrities on Coffee with Karan. So let's start.
Both of them out-of-towners who came into the big bad world of the movies and swept us off our feet.
Sweep someone off the feet. To sweep someone off the feet means to make someone feel very excited, impressed or in love, often in a surprising or dramatic way. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है मन मोह लेना. For example, he surprised her with a romantic dinner and swept her off her feet. उसने उसे एक रोमांटिक डिनर देकर सरप्राइज किया और उसका मन मोह लिया.
Varun was kind of checking me out. Now I have to say this. I normally don't say things like this, but he was. Okay. So basically, he kind of got into trouble. To cut a long story short.
With who?
To cut a long story short. To cut a long story short means to make a long story shorter by telling only the most important parts or the main point. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है कुल मिलाकर बात ये है. For example, to cut a long story short, I spent the whole day looking for my keys and finally found them in my bag. कुल मिलाकर बात ये है मैंने पूरा दिन चाबियां ढूंढने में बिताया और आखिर में उन्हें अपने बैग में पाया.
It's just not attractive.
What bare-chested men are not attractive.
I find it like actually quite off-putting.
Off-putting. Off-putting means something that makes you feel uncomfortable, annoyed or disinterested. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है कोई चीज जो आपका मन खट्टा कर दे. For example, the constant delays in the project were off-putting and the team started to lose motivation. प्रोजेक्ट में लगातार हो रही देरी मन खट्टा करने वाली थी और टीम ने अपना मोटिवेशन खोना शुरू कर दिया.
Now, the lesser known fact is that the both of you actually do get along and you all have an affable equation. Is that right?
Can I add one more thing? And you can just cut me off whenever it gets too.
Cut someone off. Cut someone off means interrupting someone while they are speaking. इसका हिंदी में मतलब होता है बात करते वक्त बात को बीच में काट देना. For example, it's important to listen carefully and not cut people off when they talk. ये जरूरी है कि ध्यान से सुनो और लोगों को बात करते वक्त बीच में ना काटो.
I think Katrina underperformed, but you were also below par.
Yeah.
Below par. The phrase below par means something is not as good as expected or is of lower quality than usual. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है कोई चीज जो उम्मीद के जितनी अच्छी ना हो. For example, the restaurant service was below par, so we decided not to return. रेस्टोरेंट की सर्विस उम्मीद के जितनी अच्छी नहीं थी, इसलिए हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम वापस नहीं आएंगे.
Everyone is behaving as if when you come on Coffee with Karan, it is the gospel truth.
Gospel truth. The gospel truth means something that is completely true without any doubt. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है कोई चीज जो पूरी तरह से सच हो. For example, when my grandmother shared her advice, I listened because I knew it was the gospel truth. जब मेरी दादी ने अपनी एडवाइस दिया तो मैंने सुना क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि ये पूरी तरह से सच है.
But for now, as I was saying, and I lost my train of thought because both of you are talking much more than I am.
Lose your train of thought. Losing train of thought means forgetting what you are talking or thinking about. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है कहते कहते बात भूल जाना. For example, I was explaining my idea, but then I lost my train of thought and couldn't remember what I was saying. मैं अपना आइडिया एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था लेकिन फिर मैं कहते कहते बात भूल गया और मुझे याद नहीं आया कि मैं क्या कह रहा था.
If she wants to.
Okay, that is like a text message answer.
This is around the time where you're going to start to get stone cold silence from this couch.
Stone cold silence. Stone cold silence means complete and absolute quiet with no sounds at all. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है सन्नाटा. For example, after the argument, there was a stone cold silence in the room. Argument के बाद रूम में एक सन्नाटा सा था.
And then we answer the question.
No, right? We both say some, we'll make some noise and we say the answer and you decide who said it first.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay. Now be a sport. Who?
Be a sport. Be a sport means to be friendly, kind and easygoing, especially in situations where things might not go the way you want. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है बड़ा दिल दिखाना. For example, come on, be a sport and let her have the last piece of cake. चलना बड़ा दिल दिखा और इसे केक का लास्ट पीस ले लेने दे.
But these two are so fiercely protective about their personal life that I don't know how to cut through.
Cut through. If you cut through something difficult that usually causes problems, you quickly understand it or deal with it so that it doesn't causes problems for you. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है किसी चीज को फटाक से समझकर उस तक पहुंच जाना. For example, she always manages to cut through the complex theory and get at the facts. वो हमेशा कॉम्प्लेक्स थियरी को समझकर सीधा फैक्ट्स तक पहुंच जाती है. I hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment below. See you in the next video. Thank you.